Oh. Hello, friends. So today we're working on this 2008 Chrysler Town & Country. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? I think so. It actually looks really good inside too. So as you see, it's in really decent shape. I mean, considering the seats are a little shiny, but really it's not in that bad a shape, especially for a minivan. Minivans and me don't get along. Look how shiny those seats are. Now this has got that Alcantara stuff. We'll see if we can get that cleaned up. It's even got its floor mat still. Not bad, huh? This is actually a pretty little minivan. I wouldn't mind having something like this. Now this has got a few issues, but we'll see if we can't get it cleaned up. No telling, but we'll see. And this is not in bad shape at all. Not a whole lot of entertainment, but I wanted to introduce something else. Alrighty, so you guys have probably seen it already. The grandma sauce. I have said publicly I already have my own sauce because of the joke with Carlos having Serrano sauce. When people say that you can wash the interior of your car with rinseless wash, that is only the clean vehicles, okay? I'm telling you, I've already tried it. I tried it last summer in the heat because I was afraid APC was going to ruin the panels and such and stain them. So over time, I have been playing with rinseless wash, and I've been doing it on these vehicles. The car lot cars are the best test for really any product. I'm not kidding. So what I use, and you can see I have it on 1 ounce right there, and I use 1 ounce of rinseless, 1 ounce in a 24-ounce spray bottle. So it's basically going to be 23 to 1, basically. But I just pour that 1 ounce of rinseless wash in, but at 256 to 1, it's not going to clean. It's not going to clean these interiors. And then you put your water in there. And because I'm using O&R, it's pretty blue. Now, I know this will do it. And this is a very affordable cleaner. So let's check it out. I have not had any damage whatsoever. I've probably used it on something because I've tested on like everything, but I started testing it on wheels 2 or 3 months ago with the DIY detail rinseless. But I wanted everybody to see this is not totally filthy, but it's not totally clean either. You know how it is. These things are shiny and nasty when they are dirty. This is Alcantara. Let's try to clean this Alcantara stuff. Now, they don't like to come clean for me. But, let's see. I'm going to use my little rinseless wash mixture here. Just see what it does. The only reason I don't have good luck with these is because they're dealership vehicles. And you know how that goes. Well, most people know how that goes if you've ever worked with a dealership or seen that madness. Well, that looks pretty good. Got a lot of junk off. So let's try this one. This one's pretty yellow. Now, I am dousing it, but these seats are really icky. One of the reasons that I've been exploring and experimenting with changing the dilution rate and the amount of rinseless wash is because I was told you can do rinseless wash in the interior. This has got to be the noisiest road on the planet. I swear. Oh my God, I'm just not in the mood for these people today. Ugh. Now this seems to be cleaning up pretty well. I don't know. Now it looks like this little bit of rinseless is not hurting anything, and it is getting things clean. But it does not appear to be hurting it in any way, shape, or form. And I look at, is it hurting it right now? So, I got a lot of dirt off of it. A lot of dirt and dust. I got this steering wheel looking much, much better. I checked the stowaway boxes under here. They're looking good. I vacuumed them out. But I'm up against the clock now, so it is time to go. So I thought I would give you guys a quick look. Tomorrow, I will come in before I start my outside detail, and I will do the rinseless. Now, somebody actually said when I mentioned it that this would be sticky if I was using that much rinseless wash. Not sticky. Clean. And these seats look a lot better. They did not look that great. And I'm not just gliding over it. I'm pushing down. It is not sticky. So there it is, friends. This is the DIY detail rinseless wash that I diluted. That was, I maybe had an ounce, maybe a little bit more in there. This is a 16-ounce bottle. What the dilution is with those two, I don't know. This is a 24-ounce bottle, and I made, you saw that, 1 ounce ONR, and then the rest of it water. Both of them do great. They both even clean everything down to the wheels. But you cannot accomplish the best clean with the 256:1 on the interior. You're gonna have to bump it up. You don't even have to use an ounce. I've even tried it with 2 ounces, and I've actually tried it when the bottle that I filled up was half full because I wanted to see. I read up on it, and nobody has anything on how much damage or what kind of trouble you could get into if you use more rinseless wash than the 256:1. And I said, nope, I'm going to try it. Because if I'm going to get blasted and told that I can do it with rinseless wash, I'll be able to do it with rinseless wash, but it's going to have to be a lot stronger. Anyway, I actually like this, and it is actually not bad when you do the numbers and with affordability. So, you never know, but that's my grandma's sauce. So, I thought I'd let you guys know and let you in on the secret. I've made little comments here and there, but I never have really talked about it because I didn't want to put up with the drama. But you know what? I don't care. That's my grandma's sauce. A bunch of rinseless with water, and you make your own kind of cleaner, and it works. I like it. I like it. But 256:1, not gonna do it. So, have a good one, everybody. We'll see you on the next video. Oh, I gotta go.